Hi, little explorers. Are you ready for a Dino-mite adventure? Today, we're going to learn colors with dinosaurs and surprise eggs. Let's see what's hiding inside each egg. Are you ready? Let's go.
Wow,
Look at this big egg. What color is it? That's right. It's purple. Let's crack it open.
look,
It's a purple Triceratops.
roar,
Can you roar like a Triceratops?
roar.
Great job. Ooh, here comes a shiny blue egg. Let's tap, tap, tap and open it.
Wow,
It's a blue velociraptor.
so fast.
Zoom, zoom. Can you zoom like a raptor?
We,
Here's a bouncy red egg. What dino could be inside? It's a red T-Rex. Stomp, stomp. Big teeth and tiny arms. Let's stomp like a T-Rex. Stomp, stomp, stomp. A sunny yellow egg. Let's count to 3 and open it together. 1, 2, 3. It's a yellow Stegosaurus with big plates on its back. Can you wave your dino tail like this? Swish, swish. Hoppity hop. A green egg is here. What's inside? A green Brachiosaurus. Look how tall it is. Let's stretch our necks up, up, up like a Brachiosaurus.
good job. Wow,
Look at all our colorful dinosaur friends. Let's name the colors again.
purple, blue, red,
Yellow.
green.
You did amazing, Dino Explorer. Thanks for learning colors with us today.
Little dino, big and bright, roars with colors, what a sight. Purple, red, and yellow too. Blue and green are in the crew. Stomp and roar, then wave hello. Colorful dinos steal the show. Little dino, big and bright, learning colors feels just right.